CoinList Review, Pricing Explained, what you get for your money. CoinList isn't just another crypto platform. You won't believe how it caters to investors looking to access early-stage token sales safely. Most people get this wrong by assuming participation is expensive, but the surprising truth is that CoinList offers low-cost access with transparent fees. Creating an account is free, and buying or selling tokens comes with a standard trading fee of 0.1% to 0.25% per transaction. You won't believe the value when participating in token sales. Early investors can access promising projects before they hit major exchanges. Most people get this wrong by overlooking staking and airdrop opportunities, which add additional value for active users. CoinList also provides thorough kick and compliance checks, making it safer than many unregulated platforms. For high-volume traders, fees are tiered and can decrease based on monthly trading volume. In conclusion, CoinList pricing is transparent and competitive, reflecting access to early crypto projects and secure trading. By understanding trading fees, token sale participation, and staking options, you get a clear picture of what you pay for and the potential value. CoinList is more than a trading platform. It's a gateway to early-stage crypto investments.